Hey there, I just got off the phone with a good friend of mine and she was feeling a little bit discouraged because she had just gotten out of a team meeting and she felt like her team just wasn't on board with the company's vision and mission. And she's got a big vision and mission of that company and they're doing really amazing work. So I was happy that she reached out to me because sometimes the team that we have or the people that we're around, they don't necessarily see that big vision that we see. So it's our responsibility to help them see that vision, and it's also our responsibility to surround ourselves with people that can support us while we're doing that work, that can help us in a way kind of, be there for us and believe in our crazy ideas and the things that we're trying to do and to pursue. If you are someone who has a burning desire, you've been wanting to try something, whether you want to start a little side business or you want to get a new job or you want to start a blog or write a book, or maybe you want to take on a leadership role with a local nonprofit or start a program for your children's school, whatever that is that you just feel super passionate about and you know that it would make a difference in your life and in other people's lives, you need to go for it. You need to take one step forward to making that happen. And one of the ways to do that is to surround yourself with people who are doing these crazy things, who are trying things and trying to make their life and other people's lives better, who actually believe that good things can happen and believe in their ideas and their goals. And I know that a lot of people that I speak to, they're really passionate about something, and it's crazy to me that they just don't take that next step to pursue something. Because when you take that next step, something's gonna happen and the ball's gonna just start rolling and you're gonna meet someone and you're gonna have some kind of opportunity open its door that would never have opened had you not just started. So my hope for you is that whatever that desire is for you, whatever you want to start, take that one step forward. Pick up the phone, make that call, write that first blog post, create that table of content for your book. Whatever that looks like for you, get started. It'll make you feel so good, and surround yourself with people who believe in you, who don't think your ideas are crazy, who support you, who you can call and pick up the phone when you're feeling like, oh my gosh, who am I to do this? Or, this has all been done before. It hasn't been done by you. So again, surround yourself with those people. I feel so blessed that I have so many people in my life that I can pick up the phone and call when I feel like I'm just going crazy and I need someone to just get me back on track and know that my ideas aren't crazy and I want to pursue something, and I have that support system. So if I can help you in any way, please let me know. Reach out to me on social media. You can find me on Twitter at Kate Volman, or you can always email me at kate@katevolman.com. But that's my hope for you. What's that one next step, that one thing that you can do to move that vision and dream forward? I look forward to hearing what it is. And again, if I can help you in any way, let me know. I'll talk to you soon.